Digital marketing is a vast and ever-evolving field. It can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest trends and techniques, let alone execute a successful digital marketing campaign. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some of the best digital marketing hacks that will help you get ahead in the game. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a powerful tool that can help you reach a larger audience and increase brand awareness. Partnering with influencers who have a large following can help you target specific demographics and reach customers who are more likely to be interested in your product or service. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a crucial component of digital marketing. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase your website's visibility and improve your search engine rankings. This will result in more organic traffic and higher conversion rates. Social media marketing. Social media is one of the most effective digital marketing channels. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with customers and build brand awareness. Create engaging content that will encourage users to share and interact with your brand. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to reach customers and keep them engaged with your brand. Utilize email marketing to share promotions, updates, and important information with your subscribers. Segment your email list and personalize your messages to increase the likelihood of a positive response. Content marketing. User-generated content is a powerful way to engage with customers and build brand loyalty. Encourage customers to share their experiences with your brand by offering incentives and creating contests. This will help you create a strong community of brand advocates who will help spread the word about your brand. Video marketing. Video marketing is one of the most effective forms of digital marketing. Utilize video to showcase your brand and products in an engaging and entertaining way. Utilize video to explain complex concepts, demonstrate products, and provide customer testimonials. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a crucial component of digital marketing. Utilize mobile marketing to reach customers on the go and improve their mobile experience. Utilize mobile-friendly website design, SMS marketing, and mobile apps to reach your customers where they are. A/B testing. A/B testing is a valuable tool that can help you determine which marketing strategies are working and which are not. Utilize A/B testing to test different elements of your website, email campaigns, and social media strategies to see what resonates with your audience. Ads retargeting. Retargeting ads are an effective way to reach customers who have already interacted with your brand. Utilize retargeting ads to show customers advertisements for products or services that they have shown an interest in. This will help you increase conversions and improve your return on investment. Customer feedback. Customer feedback is a valuable tool that can help you improve your marketing strategies. Utilize customer feedback to understand what is working and what is not. This will help you make data-driven decisions and improve your marketing strategies over time. In conclusion, digital marketing is a complex and ever-evolving field, but by utilizing these digital marketing hacks, you can increase your chances of success and reach a larger audience. Utilize these techniques to connect with customers, build brand awareness, and drive conversions.